Your Lucid homepage is your hub for storing all of your documents, boards, and diagrams. With so many capabilities and options, it can get a little overwhelming as you create and share more and more documents. In this video, we'll take a tour of your homepage and share some best practices for organizing your filing system. Let's make sense of your space and make room for more great ideas. Here we go. When you first log into your Lucid account, you'll see that your homepage is made up of several different sections. The big, bright Plus New button invites you to create a new document from scratch using a template or by importing a document from a different software. The menu on the left displays different tabs and acts as your first level of organization. The first tab is Home. On your homepage, you can see your recent, starred, and recommended documents. The Recent tab is where you can access documents you have recently worked on and would like to quickly jump back into. The little icon indicates which documents are Lucidchart, Lucidspark, or Lucidscale. When you create any type of new document, you will automatically see it appear on your Recent tab. Starred documents are like bookmarks. They're documents that you need to access quickly but less regularly, like maybe the documents you use to facilitate monthly meetings. To star a document, just click on the little star in the corner of the tile, and just like that, it appears in your starred documents. The Recommended tab is your go-to if you're looking to shake things up a bit with a new template, but you're not sure where to start. The Recommended tab presents templates based on the questions you answered about your professional profile when you signed up for the Lucid Suite. Lucid also recommends templates you might find useful based on the projects you've been working on. You'll also see videos with helpful tips on your homepage. Just click on a video to learn something new. You can also visit training.lucid.co to explore all of our Training Labs resources. Okay, next on your main menu, you'll see Documents, which you can select to reveal even more layers of organization. First, My Documents, meaning you are the owner. Shared With Me, meaning someone else owns these documents, but they've been shared with you. And Team Folders, which are documents that are owned by your organization and your team as a whole. Team Folders are only available to enterprise users, so be sure to check out our Team Folders video for more info. A helpful tip for these sections is that you can toggle between a tile view or a list view, depending on your preference. Next on your main menu is Data Hub, which is specifically for use with Lucid Scale. Then another access point for templates. And finally, connect your other apps to the Lucid Suite and manage them here using the Integrations tab. Okay, now that we know the lay of the land and the role of each section, let's talk about how to organize this space to help you work as efficiently as possible. You can see here on my Lucid homepage, I have a lot of documents just hanging out all together. If I need to find a document or a board that I want to jump back into, I can always use the search bar here. But even then, sometimes I don't remember what the document was called, so I waste time searching and opening documents I don't need. Does this sound familiar? Instead, I'll create folders to bucket my documents and boards by topic to make them easier to find. I do this by right-clicking on my documents and selecting New Folder. And a few minutes later, voila! The same goes for your team. If you don't have access to team folders, you can create a series of shared folders and establish norms around what should be shared and where documents should be stored within the filing system. The best practice we recommend to avoid overwhelm is to create your personal and team filing system before you start accumulating lots of documents. However, sometimes work just moves too quickly and things get messy fast. So our team delegated a specific person to regularly audit our filing system to make sure nothing gets lost, and to keep us accountable to this team norm for organization. Another helpful hint we like to recommend is to number your folders so that the order is dictated by relevance or preference and not automatically based on alphabetical order. And there you have it. Now it's your turn to organize your space to work better together to see and build the future. For more resources, be sure to visit our training website at training.lucid.co. Thanks for watching.